Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13R, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will show you a bunch of toggles right here. Now we are looking for the screen recording one, so if it's not visible by default, which I don't actually see it, we will need to add it ourselves by tapping on these three dots and then selecting Edit Tiles, and find the screen recording somewhere below here. Oh, there we go, so it's right over here. You can click on the plus, it gets added to your toggles, and now when we go back, we should have access to it. So tap on it again, and the first time around it will ask you for access to screen recording to record audio, and then gives you this pop-up with the option to record system sound and microphone. Now system sound will be enabled by default, while microphone you can enable yourself if you want to, though if you're planning to record both of those, do use headphones for this, as otherwise the device will be recording the system sound internally. It's going to leave the speakers and then the microphone will pick it up again, and this will create an unwanted echo effect. In any case, I'm going to select start recording, and you can see it's now recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded. There is a limitation though. If I open up some applications like garbage Netflix, this will not be recorded, and luckily OnePlus does have this kind of pop-up letting us know that you can't record this application. Now this is something that OnePlus does, as on any other device you do not get this notification. So you might be recording some app that doesn't allow you to do so, and you have no way of knowing it until you stop the recording and then go into your Photos application to view it. So if we go into Albums and then Videos, so that's one way, or Screenshots, and here in Screenshots you also have the screen recordings. You just watch it, and what you will basically find is a black screen as a recording, like this. So, what this is basically a DRM protection, which is being used by the application. Now, I know that you might not have logged into the app. You might not even have an account. You might not have agreed to terms of service nor use. You've given the application permission to do so, but Netflix doesn't give a flip about this, and it will do whatever it wants on your device, because in corporate eyes, this isn't your device. It's theirs. So when you find such a thing, just know there is nothing you can do about it. There's no option for you to change to record application that doesn't allow you to be recorded, no matter what permissions it has. But to be fair, most applications will not be blocking you from recording it. For the most part, the apps that do will be apps like ones that stream videos, for instance Netflix, primarily shows and movies, and also bank applications which try to protect the user's privacy and security. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.